Welcome back to the channel, Autoland. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling middleweight sport bikes of the year, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This bike continues Kawasaki's long-standing legacy of combining aggressive styling, refined performance, and cutting-edge technology, delivering an exhilarating ride that's hard to match in its class. The 2025 ZX-6R keeps its signature sharp and aerodynamic design, staying true to its Supersport roots. At first glance, you'll notice its redesigned bodywork that not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves aerodynamics. The front cowl and windscreen are sleeker, with integrated winglet-style elements that give it a more aggressive presence. LED headlights add a modern touch while improving visibility and energy efficiency. Underneath that aggressive exterior is a 636cc inline-4 engine that's tuned for real-world street riding and racetrack performance. With refined fuel mapping and throttle response, the bike delivers strong torque across the rev range, especially in the mid-range, where most riders spend their time. It strikes an excellent balance between high revving excitement and usable low-end pull, making it versatile for both canyon carving and everyday riding. The engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission, and the assistant slipper clutch reduces lever effort and minimizes wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. One of the standout features on the ZX-6R is Kawasaki's quick shifter, which now comes standard. It allows for clutchless upshifts, offering a more race-inspired and seamless riding experience. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Ninja ZX-6R is equipped with high-quality Showa suspension components. The 41mm Showa SFFBP fork in the front and the bottom link uni-track rear suspension provide excellent damping and stability whether you're leaning hard into a corner or navigating city streets. The chassis geometry has been fine-tuned to offer sharper responses while maintaining stability at high speeds. Braking duties are handled by dual 310mm pedal-style discs up front, paired with radial-mounted monoblock calipers for strong, progressive braking power. In the rear, a single 220mm disc adds balance. The bike features Kawasaki's intelligent ABS system, which provides added confidence without being too intrusive, even under hard braking. The ZX-6R also comes packed with rider aids that enhance safety and performance. You get a multi-level traction control system, selectable power modes, and integrated ride modes that tailor throttle response and traction control settings to different riding conditions. Whether you're out on the track or commuting through town, these systems work seamlessly to give you maximum control. The cockpit features a modern TFT display, replacing the older analog-digital combo. The new screen is vibrant and easy to read in all lighting conditions. It offers Bluetooth connectivity through Kawasaki's Radiology app, allowing you to track ride data, adjust settings, and receive notifications right from your smartphone. Ergonomically, the Ninja ZX-6R remains committed to Sportbike DNA. The riding position is aggressive but not punishing, making it suitable for spirited riding sessions without completely sacrificing comfort. The seat height is manageable, and the bike's relatively slim profile allows for better control, especially for shorter riders. In terms of weight, the 2025 model stays lightweight and nimble, contributing to its agile handling characteristics. The combination of a lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and compact engine makes the ZX-6R one of the best handling bikes in the 600cc class. Kawasaki is also offering several striking color options for the 2025 Ninja ZX-6R, including the iconic lime green with Kawasaki Racing Team graphics, a stealthy metallic matte graphenesteel gray, and a bold ebony colorway with red accents. Each version enhances the bike's aggressive look and helps it stand out on the street or track. Fuel economy remains respectable for a sport bike of this caliber, and with a 17-liter fuel tank, it offers decent range for weekend rides or daily commutes. The bike meets current emission standards without compromising performance, thanks to refined engine tuning and a more efficient exhaust system. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R delivers everything you'd expect from a modern supersport: razor-sharp styling, race-inspired performance, and everyday usability, all packed into a machine that's as thrilling to ride as it is to look at. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a track-capable weapon or a newcomer stepping up to your first middleweight sport bike, the ZX-6R is a solid choice. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bike reviews and auto updates. Thanks for watching Auto Land, and I'll see you in the next video.